सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 11, Shloka number 29. यथा प्रदीप्तं ज्वलनं पतङ्गाः विशन्ति नाशाय समृद्धवेगाः तथैव नाशाय विशन्ति लोकाः तवापि वक्त्राणि समृद्धवेगाः When Arjuna saw that Vishwarupam, first he was expressed that Ascharyam, wonder, how great this universal form, Vishwarupam. Then, having seen that wonderstruck Vishwarupam, when he come to see all these Maharathas entering in the mouth, into that Lord's mouth, he started feeling that frightening about that situation, the whole scene. The fear emotion comes out from that Arjuna's heart. Why? How they are entering? Arjuna says, all of them are entering just as the rivers merge into the ocean. These Maharathis, Rajas, the kings, all are merging into that Lord, Kala Tattvam. The 28th shloka, he gave that example. Yatha nadinam bahavombu vegaha. This is a positive way we can take. Merging. Jivatmas all merge into Paramatma. Akashat patitam toyam yatha gacchati sagaram. The water that which take away by that Lord Sun, and it becomes into water again, that evaporation converted into water, again it falls as a rain, comes to the again merge into ocean. Similarly, this example often people quote. These jivas, individual souls, jivatmas, came out of that Paramatma. So where we have to merge into Paramatma again. We are like drops. Jivatmas are all like drops. We have to merge into that ocean that is Paramatma. So this example is very nice. 28th example. Yatha nadinam bahavombu vegaha samudrameva abhimukaha dravanti. Whoever comes out of Paramatma, they have to merge into Paramatma. So in this Kala Tattvam, all are merging, coming, entering into your mouth. Not really entering, we have to understand Bhagavan's mouth as Kala Tattvam. That Kala Tattvam. This 29th example is for Jwalanam patangaha, just as the moth flies, patanga means flies. No, flies are insects. No, some insects, flies. Jwalanam pradiptam jwalanam vishanti. They enter. Vishanti means they enter. Wish to enter. Not English wish. Sanskrit wish. Vishanti. Enter into that Lord's mouth, just as the moth enter into the fire. Pradipta means that burning, blazing. Jwalanam pradiptam. Not ordinary, but which is blazing. Why they enter? Nashaya. For their own destruction. They do not know their destruction, but they are attracted to the light. They are attracted to the light and they think something it is to eat there. No? But nothing is there. Go on hitting the tube light. After some time, what will happen to that moth? It will die. It loses its wing, tired, and it will die. Like this, these rajas are all entering into your mouth like flies. Your mouth is like a blazing fire. They are all rushing into your mouth. Nashaya. How they are entering? Samruddha vegaha. With so much of speed. No one can stop their speed. And the prarabdha is pushing. Prarabdha is pushing. So they die again, Sanchita, start for next Janma, again Prarabdha starts, again they die, again next Sanchita, Prarabdha, this cycle. Therefore, Tatha eva lokaha tavapi vaktrani samudha vegaha nashaya vishanti. In the same way, Lokaha means these rajas, warriors, who are there in the battlefield. All warriors are there. Lokaha means warriors. Samriddha vegahana. Lokaha api. Even these warriors also. Drona, Bhishma, Duryodhana, Dusyasana, all this Pandava's side also. Pandava's side and Kaurava's side also, they are all entering into Bhagavan's mouth. Nashaya vishamti, for their own destruction. So once prarabdha is over, no one can stop. That's what Bhagavan is showing. Their prarabdha has come to an end. Why you are crying, Arjuna? Why you are crying? Their prarabdha has come to an end. So they have to die. Therefore, he says, Tava vaktrani samruddha vegaha vishanti. They are entering into your own mouth with more speed. Samruddha vegaha. With great speed. Entering into your blazing mouths. For their own destruction. What we have to understand here, we always, Arjuna undergoes that emotion, fear emotion. The reason is what? For example, in our family also, all of us desire what? Everyone maintain good health. Ellarku nalla health nalla irukkanum. Everyone should study well. Everyone should earn. எல்லாரும் ஒரே மாதிரியே இருக்கணும்னு we are all trying or not. Even when we are going to tour also, and all of us go together tour. அவன் வந்தானா இவன் வந்தானா எல்லாம் எட்டி எட்டி பார்த்துல we go together. This togetherness moving, this very very natural for every being, especially human beings also. Here Arjuna want to move with this Drona, Bhishma and all. Arjuna want to take Drona, Bhishma to Vaikuntha. Because Drona is an Acharya. Bhishma is the Tata. So let them be with me throughout my life. I don't want to miss them. Just as we don't want to miss our people, we don't want to miss our people. Similarly, Arjuna also don't want to miss Drona and Bhishma. When he saw Drona and Bhishma, they are all entering. Adha bhayaniki karanam. That is the cause of fear. That next shloka, he says how Bhagavan is enjoying. Bhagavan is enjoying them when they are entering. How he is enjoying? Arjuna gives the description here. We will read the 30th shloka. Lelihyase grasamanas samantat lokan samagran vadanairjvaladvihi lokan samagran vadanairjvaladvihi tejobhirapurya jagat samagram भासस्तवोग्राः प्रतपन्ति विष्णोः लोकाः समग्रान् वदनैः ज्वलद्भिः samantat vishantin. You are swallowing grasamanaha lelihyase grasamanaha. You are swallowing grasamanaha. You are the swallower. That's why crocodile ki grahakam ani peru. Why? It swallows the person. Not little eating, no? Just it swallows. Grahakam ani peru. Grasamanaha means you are the swallower. How you are swallowing? Samagran lokan. All the people. Samagran lokan. All the people. Second line. You are swallowing all the people. First line, samantat, from all directions. From all directions you are swallowing. Because so many mouths are there, swallowing. Jvaladbihi vadanaihi. You are swallowing with blazing mouths. Totally you are swallowing with blazing mouths. Here Lord Krishna appearing as the Kala Tattvam, I said, Yamaya Dharma Rajaya. So Yama Dharma Raja job is what? Yama is called as Kalaha, Kala Devata. So the Lord himself, when he is playing the role of Yama Dharma Raja, is called a destroyer, Shivaha. As the creator, the same Lord, we call him as Brahma. As the sustainer, same Lord does the job of sustenance as Vishnu. Same Lord, when he is swallowing, same Lord, his name is called what? Shivaha. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, three are not there. One Lord, when he is doing the job of creation, he is called Brahma. When he is doing the job of sustenance, now we are all in sustaining position, no? We are all born, we are sustaining now. This job is done by the Lord in the name of Vishnu. So that job, next job is what? Automatically laya. So the same Lord has to do dissolution also. But the problem is, Creation, sustenance, it's nice. It is a guna, good lakshanam of the Lord. Bhagavan எல்லாம் கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டார், ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்குன்னா. Sustenance, wonderful, we like it. But the other side, swallowing, we don't like. The birth we accept, growth we accept, decay, okay, we accept, but total nasha we don't want. We don't accept it all. Not only that, we say it is amangalam anu சொல்லுவான். That is amangalam. பேசாதே அந்த வார்த்தை இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுவான். இப்பவே பேசாதேன்னா. Don't talk about that. It is not amangalam. Guna and dosha both are mine only, Bhagavan says. Guna means all, whatever creation, sustenance is a guna. And dosha, what we are thinking as dosha, death is dosha, maranam is amangalam, we say, it is dosha, but that is also mine, Bhagavan says. This is called mithunam, complementary. All opposites, birth and death are opposites. Growth and decay are opposites, pairs of opposites. Where there is growth, there is a decay. Where there is birth, there is a death, bound to come. Both are mithunam. So mithunam means what? One only. A thing that which appears as one, looks as though two, but really speaking it is one. That is called mithunam. That's why Dampatis ki mithunam ani peru. Even though they appear as two bodies, but mithunam ani ardhana, they are one in heart. Ore hridayam, two bodies. Very nice name, mithunam anna. Whatever husband says, wife listen. Whatever wife says, husband listen. That's why they are called mithunam. They as though appear they are two, but both of them are very, very much aligned. The alignment is there. Adarsha Dampatis, I am talking. Okay, ideal couples. Ideal couple, they are like that only. That's why they are called mithunam. If I see as two separately, we cannot call it as mithunam. Dvandva it is. If I see dvandva, two separate, there is a problem. That's why husband, wife, they think and they do the things, problem in the house. So husband and wife, they have to walk together, think together. அதுதான் நடக்கிறதே இல்லையே சுவாமினி. நடக்கணும். ஐடியல் ஃபேமிலி இருந்தால் நடக்கும். I read one cartoon, the person says, head is a family, husband is like a head of the family. Husband is like the head. Our head எப்படியோ அவர் வீட்டுக்காரர் கூட அப்படிதான் வீட்டுக்கு. இந்த நெக்கு வைஃப் மாதிரியா. The neck is like a wife. அப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்னா, வாட் எவர் வே நெக் மூவ்ஸ்னா ஹெட் ஆல்சோ மூவ்ஸ் அர்த்தம். வாட் எவர் வே நெக் மூவ்ஸ், neck can move the head either front. If it want front, it moves front. It want back, it goes back. Right side and right side. The whole head movements are depending upon the neck. அதே மாதிரி head of the family, husband also is in the hands of that wife. அதுக்கு நல்லதுதான். If she is சமத்தா இருந்தா அந்த அம்மா, she can handle the whole thing. Good. They are given that much right to her. Even Manu says she is the Rani, she is the Samragni. And the whole family, husband, father-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, எல்லாருமே she is the Samragni, empress. அவர் எம்பரர்னா இந்த அம்மா எம்ப்ரெஸ், சம்ராக்னி. அது மாதிரி எங்கேருந்தோ எங்கேயோ போயிட்டோம். சப்ஜெக்ட் கம் பேக். ஓகே. சமந்தாத், blazing mouth, That's what Dvandva we should not see. We have to see the Mithunam. Why I said all these things, we should see the complementary in the creation. Whatever happens is the Bhagavan's creation only, we should accept. Why Bhagavan is so partial and we should not ask. Whatever is happening, everything, I deserve it. It has to take place, that's all. He is not partial, he is not doing anything. According to our previous karma, the results come. Some of them are pleasant, some of them are unpleasant. We have to accept. Then there is no struggle. There is no pain. We can withstand. This is called real bhakti actually. Real bhakti means what? Ishvara Sharanagati anartha. Which I cannot change the laws. That principle, Ishvara's principle, cosmic principle, I accept. Without any murmuring, without grumbling. Okay, Bhagavan, this is mine. Lord, I accept. But give me strength, mental strength. I don't want to reject you. I don't want to blame you because you know what is good for me, what has to take place. You are only phaladata. Therefore, I accept. Arjuna is not accepting now. That's why he is worrying so much. He says, Lelihyase, you are seeing the taste also. நம்ம கூட ஏதாவது சாப்பிடும்போது கொஞ்சம் அங்கே இங்கே ஏதாவது இருந்தேன்னா அந்த நாக்கு வெளியில கொண்டு வந்து அப்படியே ஒரு வாட்டி we will take inside the mouth. When you are relishing so much, அந்த நாக்கு வெளியில வந்து அந்த ஃபுட் பார்ட்டிகள் வந்து உள்ள எடுத்துக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி you are doing Bhagavan. These warriors, when they are entering, when you are crushing, ஏதாவது ஒரு பிட்டு கிட்டு கொஞ்சம் கீழே வெளியில் இருந்தான்னா you are லேலிஹியஸ், you are licking. You are licking. அதுக்கு தான் லேஹ்யம்னு பேர். அதுக்கு சவன பிராசாக்கு என்ன பேரு? லேஹ்யம். லேஹ்யம் என்ன? you are licking. That means you are relishing. How you relish? I am not able to accept this. You are swallowing everyone. And I am frightened, but you are enjoying. This is akramam. You are enjoying. When you are swallowing Drona, you are enjoying. When you are swallowing Bhishma, you are enjoying. I cannot accept this. So, Apuryam Samagram Jagat, filling the entire universe. Apurya means engulfing. How you are swallowing? You are spreading all over. You are spreading all over. Apuryam, engulfing, spreading, filling. Samagram Jagat, in the entire universe. Tejobhihi, with radiance, brilliance. Tava ugraha bhasaha pratapanti Vishnu. Oh Lord, Vishnu means Sarvam Vevesti iti Vishnu, the one who pervades all. That's why once you wear the vesti, it is called, why it is vesti, you know? Vesti is not a Tamilam word. Vesti is a Sanskrit word. That one which encompasses, spreads, that is called vesti. Vesti lo undi Vishnu vandada, Vishnu lo undi vesti vandada. Okay. Vishnu means what? Vishnu Sahasranamanlo first name is Vishnu. Why he is called as Vishnu? The one who pervades everywhere. Bhagavan Vishnu. அப்புறம் அவர் சிவன் டெம்பிள் இருப்பாரா இருக்க மாட்டாரா? இப்போ you know the அர்த்தம், proper meaning of Vishnu is all pervading. Shive Vishnu, Vishnuve Shivaha. Hari and Shiva are not separate. Hari Haradavu, no, both of them are one and the same. Similarly, hey Vishnu, oh Lord Vishnu. So the Krishna actually, Krishna is none other than Vishnu Avataram, Narayana Avataram. Therefore Arjuna is telling, you have taken this Krishna Avatara, I know. Hey Vishnu, he is remembering the Lord. Vishnu, Ugraha Bhasaha, the blazing cruel flames. Ugraha means cruel. And the flames, when they are covering and occupying the whole thing, they are pleasant or ugram? Fiercing, bhayankarama irkum. That ugraha pratapanti, burning down the world. Pratapantina, they are scorching everyone. Kala tattvam swallows everything. It will never leave anybody. Kala. So everyone has to merge in this Kala. Lord Krishna showing that how they are all going to die. Just a trial party. Rehearsal. Trial party காமிக்கிறார். ட்ரையல் பார்ட்டிக்கு இப்படி பயந்துட்டா அர்ஜுனா? நிஜமா அது பெஸ்ட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எப்பவுமே கஷ்டமான முன்னாடியே ஒரு வாட்டி ட்ரையல் கொடுக்கணும் இல்லையா? தட்ஸ் வை பகவான் spread all over in the form of Kala Tattvam. As Yamadharma Raja, he has to do his duty. How he does? First he sends the messengers. ஏதோ ஒரு மீன்ஸ் இருக்கணுமே. A person to die, ஏதோ ஒரு மீன்ஸ் இருக்கணும், ஏதோ ஒரு காரணம் நிமித்தம் இருக்கணும். அதுக்கு என்னென்ன எர்த்குவேக்கு, ஃப்ளட்ஸு, சைக்ளோனு, இல்லைன்னா டிசீஸு, ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் இருக்கவே இருக்கு. ஆல் தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் த மெசேஞ்சர்ஸ். ஃபஸ்ட்டு முன்னாடி வந்துடும். சம் டைப் ஆஃப் ஆக்சிடென்ட்ஸ், ஏதோ ஒரு வழியா அந்த பர்சன் ஹேஸ் டு பி டேக்கன் அவே. But most unpleasant, unwanted thing is what? Death. Death of whom? Near and dear. We cannot swallow. Very, very painful. Unavoidable, uncontrollable, unsustainable, unpredictable. This is a fact. Accept it. Which is unavoidable, unpredictable, unsustainable, accept it. If you don't accept, it shows our immaturity. If I don't accept, there is a pain, struggle, which I cannot change, but I undergo lot of mental trauma. Therefore, accept it. Acceptance is called maturity. Whatever is unavoidable happens, unpredictable happens, I accept it. Next shloka. 31. Akhyahi me ko bhavanugra rupah. नमोस्तु ते देववर प्रसीद. विज्ञातुमिच्छामि भवन्तमाद्यम्. न हि प्रजानामि तव प्रवृत्तिम्. All this guna and dosha, the pair of opposites, duality, all are from the standpoint of vyavaharika drishti. Vyavaharika drishtya only guna, dosha, janana, marana, vriddhi, vinasha, all are because of this vyavaharika standpoint. If you want to come out of this pain, this guna, dosha, venda, maranam, venda, if you want to come out, you have to come to paramarthika sthiti. I like birth, I like growth, but I don't like death. I like success, but I don't like failure. I like daytime, I don't like darkness. I like youth, but I don't like old age. If you like only all pleasant things, if you don't like all unpleasant, unfavorable, suppose, adidane venu swamini, if indukku adukku that only we want. Why you are using if clause? Really you desire that, come to Paramarthika level. Come to the higher order of reality, become Gunatitaha. That is the only solution. If you don't want this unpleasant, unfavorable pain, trauma, or any struggle, misery in the life, become a Gunatitaha. That we are going to see in 14th chapter. Go beyond 3 gunas. The creator, Brahma, Srishtikarta, is Rajoguna. Vishnu is Sattva-guna, sustainer. The Laya, Shiva, is Tamoguna. That Tamoguna is predominant in the Lord when he is doing this job of dissolution. When he is doing the job of creation, Rajoguna is predominant. When he is doing the job of sustenance, Sattva-guna is predominant. So therefore 3 gunas are there. If you don't like this, you have to give up that also. This guna you don't like, you have to give up that guna also. Therefore come to Gunatita Sthiti. Otherwise, Atma Jnana, that is called Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana. How to come to Atma Jnana? By studying Bhagavad Gita. Regular, systematic, consistent study of Bhagavad Gita under a competent teacher for a length of time. You can become Gunatitaha. You get the Atma Jnanam, then there is no pain, struggle at all. Is it possible? Possible. Suppose if you think it is difficult, I cannot get Atma Jnanam, I cannot get that Gunatita Sthiti, I am like this only, then accept this. Accept this Mithunam, or accept these complementary opposite pairs of opposite. You have to accept. இது வேண்டாம் என்ன, அப்போ அது வரணும். அது வராதுன்னா இதுல இருண்டா. Both are not possible. When you want this, you have to see the other side also. Therefore, Arjuna, understand. And Chollaporar Bhagavan. But now Arjuna is asking, who are you, Bhagavan? You are showing like this form. Really tell me, who are you? Now Arjuna got confusion whether he is this person is Krishna or not. Otherwise, how can he swallows from all direction, all people, everything is merging in him. Such a power, brilliance in him. Now tell me, who are you really? He is asking. But he says, Kaha Bhavan. Kaha means who? Bhavan. Who are you? Who are you? After 10 chapters over, now he is asking, who are you? Because he is not seeing ordinary Krishna. He is not seeing Vamshi Krishna. Or Partha Sarathi is not seeing. He is seeing Vishwarupam. Now I think you are somebody else, not my Krishna. Kaha Bhavan? Who are you? Me Ugrarupaha Akhyahi. Please tell me, this Krurakaraha, you, with this piercing form, who are you? Frightening me. Ugrarupaha means Krurarupaha or Krurakaraha. Not Venna Sapradar Bhagavan Krishna. And the Krishna ille. Not Govardhana Krishna. Not Radha Krishna, but you are standing here like a krura akaram with protruding teeth, so many mouths, so many heads, all over the fire is coming from the mouths everywhere. How this Ugra Rupam you are showing? Who are you? Me Akhyahi, tell me. Akhyahi means tell me. Kathaya. Mahyam, me means Mahyam, may you tell me. And he is addressing the Lord. Devavara. Devanam pradhanaha devavaraha. O exalted among the gods. Deva means gods. Vara means what? Supreme. Exalted, great, pradhanaha, prominent among all gods. Devavaraha, Sambodhana. Hey Devavara, Namaha astu. Salutation to you. Second line, Namaha astu. Namostu is there. Namaha astu. My salutations. Te tava. Tubhyam te. To you, my salutations. Namaha astu. This is called bhakti. Bhayam, now slowly converting into bhakti. Bhaya bhakti enna artham. Bhaya bhakti. Bhakti, devotion along with fear. People all have only fear. Bhakti koncham kore. 99% bhayam, 1% bhakti. Bhagavan mean. కనీసం 50% இருந்தா கூட பரவாயில்ல. ஒரு 10% பயம், 90% பக்தி இருந்தா குட். Then that 10% bhayam also you can convert into love on the Lord. Therefore, நிஜமான பக்தன் பயப்படவே மாட்டான். அந்த தேவதன்ன பயம், இந்த தேவதன்ன பயம், அந்த காட் என்ன பயம், அவர் என்ன பண்ணுவாரோ, கண்ணு குத்துவாரோ என்னமோ, ஏதாவது நடந்த அம்மோ என்னமோ அபராதம் பண்ணிட்டா பகவானே மன்னிச்சுடுன்னு சொல்லுவான். இல்லை பயம் பயம் பயமா இருந்தான்னா இட் ஷோஸ் அவர் தட் பக்தி இஸ் வீக்னு அர்த்தம். த பர்சன் ஹூ எவர் இஸ் அஃப்ரைட் ஆஃப் காட், டூ மச் ஃபியர் இஸ் தேர், அதுலன்னு தெரியறது இன்டைரக்ட்லி தட் பர்சன் பக்தி இஸ் வீக்னு அர்த்தம். Whoever is having 50% bhakti, 50% fear, okay. But 99% of bhayam, 1% bhakti, adi kuda arakora bhakti. Maximum people you can see, everyone put lot of kanukai, lot of things Bhagavan kenna bhayam unna. And the bhayam must be converted into love. And if I see Bhagavan out of fear, what will happen? I always blame the Bhagavan. அவர்தான் பண்ணிட்டார். ஒரு அம்மா அப்படிதான். She 30 years she was very very strong devotee of the Lord. And some death took place in her family. Near and dear person. அவளை தூக்கி போட்டுட்டா பகவான். 30 years வர்ஷிப் பண்ணி என்ன சுவாமினி 30 வருஷமா பூஜை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க, என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? இவ்வளவு துன்பம் கொடுத்துட்டாரே பகவான் எனக்கு, எதுக்கு அந்த பகவான் எனக்கு? And she stopped doing puja, she stopped doing giving naivedyam. Asal no photo at all. That God is not there. If I have love, affection on the Lord, how can I leave the Lord? That means I have never trusted the Lord. I have used the Lord for my materialistic ends, benefits. I have seen only partial side of the Lord as always boon giver. And by God's grace everything is fine. By God's grace everything is fine. People go on telling this and enna artham theriyuma? How is it possible everything is fine in the life? Tell me. 360 days throughout life, everything, is it possible to be pleasant, favorable, fine? அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்னா 24 hours, 360 days, decades, Bhagavan has to help me in a fine manner. As long as he helps me as in a fine manner, I can give naivedyam to him. I do puja, punaskaram to him. ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் தகராறு பண்ணிட்டியோ பார்த்து பூஜை கூட பண்ண மாட்டேன் உனக்குன்னு சொல்லிடுவான். Now we see this type of bhakti in many people. This is not bhakti. This is called bargaining. This is called business bhakti. Business bhakti. But still Bhagavan is fulfilling their desires. Come on, continue. How long you want to do business with me? I will also see. Bhagavan also wait and see. You want to do business bhakti? Okay, I am also a business way I look at you. If I want Bhagavan totally in my heart, that's why Hanuman showed that Bhagavan in his own heart. நீ இருக்கு நாக்கு பயம் என்ன அப்படி சொல்லணும். பகவான் இருக்கும்போது நான் ஏன் பயப்படணும்? அவருக்கு தெரியும் என்ன நடக்கிறதோ நடக்கட்டும் அப்படி சொல்லணும். Bhagavan always be with that bhakta. He cannot leave even an second. Bhagavan cannot stay. First of all, Bhagavan cannot stay the separation from the bhakta. பகவானுக்கு ஒரு வீக்னஸ் தெரியுமோ? அவருக்கு என்ன வீக்னஸ்? வெண்ண திருடுறதுன்னு சொல்றான் வீக்னஸ், அதுக்கல்ல. பகவான் வீக்னஸ் இஸ் ஓன்லி ஒன் வீக்னஸ். ஹி சரண்டர் டு பக்தாஸ். அவருக்கு ஒரே ஒரு மயக்கம், அதுதான். பக்தனா மயங்கிடுவார் அவரு. அவருக்கு மயக்கமே வரமாட்டேங்கிறது. இந்த மாதிரி பக்தாஸ்னு பார்த்து மயங்கிறதே இல்லை பகவான். நிஜமான பக்தன் இருந்தா மயங்கிடுவார் பகவான். அவரு பார்க்கிறார், யாராவது எனக்கு நமக்கு மயக்கம் வர மாதிரி பண்ணுவானோன்னு பார்க்கிறாருன்னா. எல்லாம் பிசினஸ் பக்திலான இருக்காங்க நிறைய பேரு. How am I saying? There is in Purana one story when Narada went to Dwaraka to see the Lord Krishna, and he couldn't see the Lord Krishna anywhere, because generally he is always on that branch in that, somewhere he is moving outside, no, but nowhere is available. Then he asked Rukmini Devi, Amma, where is Krishna? Where is he? Lord Krishna doing meditation. Yogeshwara Krishna sitting in dhyanam. All people are doing dhyanam for that Lord's sake. Why this Lord is sitting in dhyanam? Upon whom he is meditating? Meditate பண்ணவன பகவான் மேல தான தியானம் பண்ணணும். All bhaktas are meditating upon him. Then why Bhagavan is doing meditation? Upon whom he is doing meditation? What is the object of meditation for Bhagavan? What is the object of meditation for Bhagavan? என்னமோ தெரியல, ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் கிடையாது முன்னாடி. நானும் போய் எட்டி எட்டி பார்த்தேன், ஒன்னும் காணும். அப்படியா, let me go and see. Narada went so closer to that Lord where he is doing meditation. There is no form, there is no மூர்த்தி ஐடல். ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு இந்த மண் ராசியா இருக்கு, அங்க குப்பையா ஒரு மண் இருக்கு, சாண்ட். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி உட்கார்ந்து மெடிடேட் பண்றாரு பகவான். இவருக்கு என்ன பைத்தியமா பகவானுக்கு? என்ன அந்த மண்ணு முன்னாடி உட்கார்ந்து, ஒரு சிவலிங்கம் மாதிரி ஒரு மண் அப்படி இருக்கு குப்பையா, அதுக்கு முன்னாடி உட்கார்ந்து தியானம் பண்றாரு. Then Narada sat there itself. Let me ask the Lord when he come out of the meditation, I'll ask. Then Krishna has completed his meditation and came out. Then Narada asked, what is this You are meditating upon sitting opposite to that. Then Lord said, this is my bhakta's padadhuli. This is my bhakta's padadhuli. Imagine how compassionate Bhagavan. No words to talk. Say, Bhagavan, Karuna showering all the time on all of us, equally. But we have to open our heart and see and feel that. No? That's what Bhagavan showing to Arjuna, Vishwarupam. Arjuna, you are my bhakta, you are my devotee. I am fond of you. I want to show my Vishwarupani Kamikarar. But Arjuna is not able to withstand because of raga, dvesha. In true bhakti, there is no raga, no dvesha, no attachment, no aversion. He Devavara Prasida, come out of this Ugra Rupa, you just show me the soft nature. Prasida. Pleasing, please come in a gracious form. Prasida means prasadam kuru. Pleasing to me, benign to me, be gracious to me, be pleasing to me. Having become first to come down, then Vijnatum ichchami Adyam bhavantam rupam. I desire to know. Vijnatum means Visheshena Gnatum Ichchami. I want to know your total history, autobiography. I want to know your autobiography. Totally tell me, who are you? I desire to know. Bhavantam Adyam. I want to know your primal nature. Adau Bhavam Adyam. Sarva Karana Bhutam. You are the cause of this universe. Srishti Karanam, Srishti Kartaram. I want to know. Now I have understood. You are the creator. You are the destroyer. You are the first. You are the end. Everything. In the middle only the entire creation. Now tell me what is the beginning and what is the end. Show me. Please teach me that now. Na prajanami tava pravrittim. Because of this universal form, I do not know your function. What is your real function? Are you a destroyer? Are you a creator? Are you both? What you are doing? Tava pravritti means function, profession, occupation. What is your occupation? What is the job of Krishna? என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு? ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனும் கிடையாது. பரித்ராணாய சாதூனாம் விநாசாய ச துஷ்கிருதாம் தர்ம சம்ஸ்தாபனார்த்தாய சம்பவாமி யுகே யுகே. You are destroying all people. Even Siddha Sangaha, sages are also entering into your mouth. ఏదో రాక్షసాస్ మాత్రమే నిలిచే. You are swallowing everyone into you. Next shloka. Now Arjuna showed his bhakti, this wonderment to frightening position to now bhakti, devotion. Third phase of emotion. That's why Kala, Desha are nothing but are the properties of the Lord, Saguna Brahma. That Bhagavan create the Kala and Desha and he swallows everything. The Kala, Desha also merge into Bhagavan. There is no Kala, Desha separately. Shri Bhagavanu Vacham Kalosmi Lokakshaya Krit Pravruddham लोकान् समाहर्तुमिह प्रवृत्तः ऋतेऽपि त्वां न भविष्यन्ति सर्वे एव स्थिता प्रत्यनीकेषु योधाः 31, 32, 33, 34 also Bhagavan is going to give the answer to Arjuna's question 34 up to 34. In this 32 onwards, he is answering to that Arjuna's question. Who are you? When Arjuna asked, one word Bhagavan is telling, Aham Kalaha Asmi. I am the time principle. How Arjuna can understand? What do you mean by time principle? Very nice word. I am Kala Tattvam. The Jagat means once creation has started means what? Immediate question is what? When? Where? Dissolution took place. When? Where? Eppo ani kepam first. Petti paranditana. Petti. Illana grandson, granddaughter. Born. When? Immediately. Similarly, whole creation emerges from the Lord and when. That when is called Kalaha. That Kala I am. In Kala only everything emerges out. In Kala only everything merges. Whole history is what? History, when you read about that Raja, king, date of birth, date of death. Is in the Raja, Ashoka, Chandragupta, any Raja you take, Pandyas, Pallavas, so and so century, 16th century they give 1611 to 1690. Now over. What do you mean by that? Kala. Whole history is nothing but Kala. Whole history is nothing but Bhagavan. Namma history. Ipo namma kuda irukilyo. So and so date starting. So and so date unpredictable. But unavoidable also. Unpredictable, unavoidable, unchangeable. So the Kala, I am time principle, Kalaha Asmi. So what I am doing, being a Kala Tattvam, Loka Kshaya Krit Pravrittaha. The Lord said, I am the mighty time. The time means you have to write capital T. Capital T you have to write, time principle. That's why Kala is not separate from Bhagavan. Bhagavan is not separate from Kala. So, and the Kala, Devatri Kala muke puja pannam. Panchangam padikkiradhu ennama theriyumo? The Panchangam, 5 angas are there. The time, minutes, hours, weeks, years, days, all comes under time principle. So we worship the Kala because we take it as a Kala Devata. We worship Panchangam. Therefore, he says that Kala Tattvam Loka Kshaya Krit Pravruddhaha. I am Loka Kshaya Krit, na Lokanam Kshayam Karoti. As a Kala Tattvam, what is my profession you are asking? Tava pravrittim kim you asked me? My profession is nothing but what? Destroying the whole universe. Why? I have created. Chinna kuழந்தை எப்படி இந்த பொம்மை இல்லு கட்டிட்டு அந்த மண்ணுல என்ன பண்ணுவ தெரியுமா? அந்த ஒரு இப்படி மாதிரி கட்டி விளையாடி கால் வச்சுட்டு டபுக்குன்னு கால் வச்சுட்டு போயிடுவான். ஏன்டா இப்படி பண்ணா? நான் தானே பண்ணேன்னு சொல்லி அவனுக்கு ரைட் இருக்கு இல்லையா? நான் தான் பண்ணிட்டேன்னு சொல்லி அழகாக பண்ணி இவ்வளோ ஹைட் பண்ணி 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 போர் அடிச்சு என்ன போதும்னு சொல்லி அந்த காலை வச்சது முன்னாடி டபக்குன்னு ஒரு காலை வச்சுட்டு வந்துடுவேன். குழந்தை பண்ணலாம், பகவான் பண்ணலாமா? அப்படி என்ன, அது ஒரு லீலா பகவானுக்கு. பட் ஃபார் ஏ ஆர்டினரி பர்சன் இட் இஸ் பயங்கரம். பிரளயம் இஸ் பயங்கரம். From the Bhagavan standpoint, it is Leela. Srishti is a Leela. Pralayam is a Leela. It is a sport for Bhagavan. And இப்படிப்பட்ட ஸ்போர்ட்டா என்னன்னா உனக்கு பிடிக்கல, because you are in Vyavaharika Drishti, Bhagavan look from the totality. That totality you have to develop. Universal vision is required. நம்மளதெல்லாம் partial vision. நாம் இருவர், நமக்கு ஒருவர், நமக்கு ஃபேமிலி, இதெல்லாம் பார்ஷியல் விஷன். So many people are dying. We are not bothering about them. Bhagavan has to bother about what? Whole creation, whole dissolution. Bhagavan has to. Because whole creation is his creation. What right we have got? That's why you see from the helicopter, all these things looks as minute dots. பிளேனில் போகும்போது பார்த்தாலோ எல்லாமே ஒரு ஈ மாதிரி தோணும் கீழே. If you see from down, you have to look at the mountain like this. Same way, we look from the narrow-mindedness. அந்த நம்ம திருஷ்டிலையோ நம்மோட ப்ராப்ளமாக பார்க்கறது, அந்த நேரோ மைண்டட் வச்சுண்டு மனசு எக்ஸ்பேன்ஷன் ஆகாமலே மை ப்ராப்ளம் ஒன்லி ப்ராப்ளம், மை ஹவுஸ் எலோன் இஸ் ஹவுஸ், மை சில்ட்ரன் ஆர் ஒன்லி சில்ட்ரன், இங்கே வேறே மனசு அந்த பக்கம் போகாது. தட் நேரோ மைண்டட்னஸ். அப்போது நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் அப்பியர் வெரி பிக், மேக்னானிமஸ் வே தே அப்பியர். நாட் ஓன்லி தட், வி வில் டெல் அதர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. எனக்கு வந்த ப்ராப்ளம் யாருக்கும் வரக்கூடாது சுவாமினி. நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்துன்னு இருக்கு, இதுக்கு மேல பெரிய ப்ராப்ளம் வந்துன்னு இருக்கு. பட் we think our problem is the problem. Bhagavan says nothing. Your problem is nothing if compared to that other people's problems. So therefore develop total vision. Then you don't never see your problem as a problem. அப்பா ஐ எம் ஸோ ஃபார்ச்சுனேட் சுவாமி, ப்ராப்ளமே தெரியாது. அது எப்படி சொல்லுவாது, கோல்டு வந்தால் வாட் யூ அப்ளை? ஜெண்டு பாம். கோல்டுக்கு மருந்தே கிடையாது. கோல்டு வந்தப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவா தெரியுமா, இந்த நல்ல பெயின் பாம் போட்டோன்னா அந்த பேர்னிங் சென்சேஷன்ல இந்த கோல்டு பெயின் தெரியாது. அது மாதிரி ஏதாவது எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் பெயின் வந்து இந்த பெயின் தெரியாது. That's why always look at the people who are suffering than us, facing problems than us, so you don't feel any pain at all. So Lord Krishna says, Loka Kshayakrit Pravrittaha, I am proceeding to destroy the whole world. Lokan iha samahartam, to destroy the people here, not the whole world, here in this Kurukshetra Sangrame an artham. Sarve yodhaha ye avasthitaha pratyanikeshu, who are all the warriors arrayed assembled here, both the armies, na bhavishyanti, they are not going to be there in future. Rite pitvam, even if you don't fight in this battlefield also Arjuna, they are going to die. பகவான் பாருங்க என்ன வேர்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டாரு, ரிதே பித்வாம், வித்தவுட் யூ ஆல்சோ தே ஆர் கோயிங் டு டை. பவிஷ்யந்தி பிரத்யநீகேஷு ந பவிஷ்யந்தி, தே ஆர் நாட் கோயிங் டு பி ஹியர், their prarabdha is over. More in the next class. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ.